In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a subdomain on Cloudflare. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each field means, and how to save your changes with confidence. First, head to your Cloudflare dashboard. Once you're in, look for the Domains area. This is where Cloudflare lists all the domains you've added to your account. Click on Domains, then choose the domain you want to work with. For example, if you're adding blog.yourdomain.com, you'll select your domain.com from the list. Inside the domain view, open the DNS section. This is where all your DNS records live and where we'll create the new entry for your subdomain. In DNS, go to Records, then click Add Recorda to start a new entry. You'll be prompted to choose a record type. Select CNAME. A SNAME record lets one hostname point to another hostname, which is perfect when your subdomain should follow or resolve to a different service or platform without using an IP address. Now fill in the name field. This is the subdomain label only, not the full domain. So if you want blogyourdomain.com, just type blog. Avoid adding the root domain here. Cloudflare automatically appends it. Next, fill in the target field. This is the destination hostname you want your subdomain to point to. It could be something provided by your hosting platform like app.provider.example. Make sure you paste or type the exact hostname given by the service you're connecting to with no extra spaces or trailing dots. You might see an option to toggle proxy status or similar settings. If you're unsure, it's usually fine to keep the default. Proxied mode routes traffic through Cloudflare for performance and security. DNS only sends traffic directly to the target. If your platform recommends one or the other, follow that guidance. Otherwise, the default is a safe starting point. If there's a TTL field, leaving it at auto is generally best. There's also a comment box. This is optional, but it can be handy to note why you created the record. Like, points blog to hosting platform, so future you or teammates immediately understand its purpose. When everything looks right, click Save. Cloudflare will add the record to your DNS list. Changes usually start working quickly, though DNS can take a little time to propagate. If you don't see it live immediately, give it a few minutes. That's all there is to it. You've added a subdomain via a CNAME record in Cloudflare cleanly and correctly.